You right there, ladies and gents, how's it going? This is hopefully going to be a very short video, but I'm hoping it will also be quite helpful to those of you that are looking to get the UpMap ECU reflash for your Aprilia Tuareg 660. Having gone through all the instructions for it, it looks very simple. I've already connected the cable to it. I just need to connect that to the motorcycle, and then I need to connect this to my mobile phone.
Keep that butt. Drop aside. Down.
As you can see, I've already downloaded the UpMap app to my mobile phone, and I need to get this all hooked up to the UpMap device. It's done via Bluetooth, I believe, so it's all wireless. What you need to do is make sure you've got a full battery on your motorcycle, or at least have it plugged into an Optimate, and also having a full charge on your mobile phone, because we're going to be using a lot of data and stuff like that to transfer all the maps about. I've just plugged my motorbike into its Optimate. I think the battery's actually pretty good. I've never had any issues starting, but I've done that as a precaution, and I've made sure that my mobile phone is all topped up nicely. So this is the device. It comes with this OBD Euro 5 cable and plug there that we need to find on the motorcycle. Pretty easy to find. So on the Aprilia Tuareg 660, if you remove the seat, and this is the connector here just next to the battery. So what I'm going to do first is connect this to the bike. And we've got a green light there saying that that is powered. Apologies for all the noise going on outside. At least we've stopped mowing the lawn now. But we've got a million delivery drivers all around. So I'm guessing, would I like to configure my device? Go yes. Accept the terms and conditions. Go. During the configuration process, do not close UpMap. Make sure you have UpMap and cables device. Active internet connection. I have just about got Wi-Fi to the house here. Run stop button in run, and Bluetooth is on. Now we've got an Aprilia. Connect your device to the bike. So we've got the UpMap, cable, bike, go. Verify the run stop is in the run position. That's in the run position. Go. Step up to a maximum distance of 5 meters from your motorcycle. Go. Searching for your device. Founded devices. Awesome. Configure. So currently it's downloading the firmware and updating it. Now rebooting it. It's found it. Cool. Right, so we've on the Tuareg 660 2022 EU. Tick that and go. Now the head streamers. Brilliant. Tuareg 660 EU. Device is paired successfully. In configuration. Okay, so now this is all set up. What I now need to do is find the map I want, and then put it onto the bike. First calibration is free. Use the discount code shown in the map. So this is the map I think I want. Decat and slip-on. So to get this free, which is what you get a couple of maps free with your first activation. So I've got the GRT map is the one I want for it. So I have to put that in the coupon code. So GRT map in capitals. Going to fill this in off camera. GRT MAP. Right, so I think I now have a map stored. There we go. Select that, and then click install. So UpMap and device, active internet connection, Bluetooth on, go. Okay, so it's downloaded the map onto the bike and now it's configuring it. I'm getting some warnings up on the dashboard at the moment. Alarm CAN ECU, alarm ATC, disconnected, but that's because the map is configuring everything. That startled me. So that's just done a reprime. So shut down vehicle dashboard and press OK to continue. OK. Turn on vehicle dashboard and press OK to continue. So with this installed now, I've got the Gabro map with decat and slip-on exhaust mapped onto the bike now. Now if I go to motorcycles, I can download the original map and put that onto this bike, which is kind of cool. Yeah, if I return it to standard, so get rid of the exhaust pipes and whatever, I can put the original map back on. Just got to remember not to delete this app. But yeah, that's how you do it. I guess we should start the bike up just to make sure it all works and things, and check all the settings out and stuff. Okay, right, so I'm going to turn this off, and I'm going to disconnect this because I think I can once it's installed, and put that back in its slot there, and put this somewhere safe in case I need it in the future. Alrighty. Ignition on. No warnings have come up. Right, well, as you hopefully can see from that, it's pretty simple. It just takes a little bit of time to do, and yeah, so do make sure you've got a full battery for it, or you're plugged into an Optimate. Make sure your phone's got decent battery as well, and that you've got decent internet signal. I'm lucky to have Wi-Fi reaching out to my garage here, so that made it all probably a bit quicker for me. But I think if you were to have just phone signal, I'm not sure it would take that long to do, because the internet part of this really didn't take very long at all. But yeah, piece of cake really. Bike works, got the new map on it. I suppose I should go and test ride it really, shouldn't I? But I've got some other bits and bobs to do right now. Anyway, if you found this useful, helpful, informative and all that sort of stuff, please give it a little thumbs up. If you like the video, give it a little thumbs up and all that sort of stuff too. If you haven't done so already, click that subscribe button. It would be awesome to have you come back for some more. And yeah, you ride safe, take care, and I'll catch you all in the next one. Bye bye for now.
Gotta keep that bike
That bike.
side down. You know, you gotta keep that bike rubber side down.